welcome back from the Thanksgiving break. We hope that you got some rest and that you spend a safe and healthy time with your family. Something to keep in mind for the high school students is that the end of the first semester is almost here. So if you are in the fence in some classes, make sure that you do the best in this last quarter to get your grades up.
Now that December is almost here, it is time to think and reflect about our community. Stuco is organizing the regional food drive to support the staff and the maintenance of the school.
It is very important for everyone in the community to participate to help us in showing how thankful and grateful we are for everything the maintenance staff in the school does for us.
Watch the following clip so you can learn more about this and know how you can help us.
We need your help. It is almost December, and in the CAT community, the maintenance food drive will take place.
As you all know, this year has been more difficult and a little bit different, but our staff members have never failed to bring the best of them when it comes to their service.
That is why your Stuco members and CAT community have been working hard for this event to happen.
Every year we invite our maintenance staff for some breakfast, and then after that we provide them with the dispensas. But this year we are not allowed to give them the breakfast because of the pandemic.
The CAT staff will collect the dispensas that every student brings to school from November 30 to December 5. We have included in the U website what every student from nursery to 12th grade has to bring to school.
We are aware that some of you have been safely quarantining in your house and won't like to go to the store and be exposed to the virus. That's why we created a second option for you to contribute in this, but still being very safe.
We created a money pool account so you can deposit or transfer the amount of money that you would like instead of dropping your dispensas off at school.
The amount of money that you donate is optional. There is not maximum or minimum amount to donate. This money will be used to buy all the supplies for the donations.
There will be 100% transparency in every transaction made. We want to make sure that our staff gets reward for all the effort they make, and we need your participation in this so it can be possible.
The Stuco members will be the ones in charge of the drive's logistics. So if there's any question that you have, we're always there for clear out in Instagram, Gmail, or by our website.
Always remember that you are the most important thing. We hope that everybody can cooperate so all of us can have a very happy Christmas, including to our maintenance staff who always work so hard for us. Before we close, we want to remind all of you of the basic expectations for online classes when you log into your Meet sessions. Remember to do it with your microphone off and with your camera on.
It is very important that you take your class in an appropriate and comfortable environment. That allows you to work and understand the classes better.
Also, be aware that you need to be dressed appropriately and professionally. Read over the dress code in student handbook or your planner if you are unsure of your outfit. We hope that these reminders are helpful in making online learning a better place. Thank you.
Remember to keep checking CAThub, our website, and any social media to keep update on everything that happens at school. And this will be all for this CAT news. So stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, be you. Sí, no, pues literal con eso está bien, ¿no? No hice nada como que...